In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a VPS to MetaTrader 5. If you're trading online and you want to keep your trading running smoothly without interruptions, connecting a virtual private server or VPS to MetaTrader 5 can be a game changer. It ensures that your trading platform is operational around the clock, even if your own computer is turned off. Let's dive right into it. First, open up your MetaTrader 5 platform. Look at the top of your screen and you will notice the menu bar. To begin, you'll want to click on the View option. This will open up a drop-down menu where you can see a range of tools and options that MetaTrader 5 offers. The goal here is to access the Navigator, which is your hub for managing accounts, indicators, and more. So, once you've clicked on View, go ahead and select Navigator from the drop-down menu. Once the Navigator pane is visible on your screen, you'll see a list of your accounts and various trading tools. Look for your trading account details under this pane. You should notice your account name. What you'll do next is double-click on your account. This action will expand the list, showing more details about your account and additional options that MetaTrader 5 has laid out. Now, you want to right-click on your trading account. This action will bring up another set of options tailored to your trading account. Among these options, you'll see one that says either Register a virtual server or Migrate to virtual hosting. The exact name might vary slightly depending on your MetaTrader 5 version, but the option you choose will be clear in context. Clicking this will guide you toward connecting your VPS with MetaTrader 5. After selecting the option to register or migrate, the next phase is choosing a hosting plan. MetaTrader 5 might provide you with several plans to consider, so pick the one that best suits your needs and trading habits. Some plans may offer different levels of server performance and pricing can vary. Once you've chosen your plan, you'll need to complete the subscription process as required. This step may include inputting payment details or accepting terms of service. Once your subscription is final, follow any on-screen prompts carefully. These prompts are designed to guide you through the process, ensuring that your VPS is properly set up and configured with MetaTrader 5. It's crucial to pay attention to each step to ensure that your trading account is correctly linked, enhancing your trading experience without downtime concerns. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up a VPS with MetaTrader 5, allowing for continuous and efficient trading activity, free from daily disruptions. With this setup, you can now focus more on strategizing and less on technical hiccups.